They're out. Bombs down. Bombs down checkers.
Get it, get it.
Woo! Yes! Oh, you dinked me, holy balls.
Nice, man.
Ouch.
Nice.
I got 10 HP, so.
He's cat. Cat's one shot.
Got your quad.
Yeah, she did.
Bombs down outside of Squeaky. Got a hard B effort. Hard B effort.
I could have gotten 2, but I only got 1.
Or maybe he's just hitting the shots of his life. He's only 7 RWS. Be expecting fast this time.
I'm flashing. I didn't mean to flash that though. Oh yes.
One's out mid.
I'm flashing.
One more sunroom.
Oh, I failed that so hard.
Oh, one tag.
Can you flash me again?
I don't have another flash. I have a decoy.
Excellent.
I hit someone. I hit someone. He's close.
Yes.
He's still there.
Where?
Checkers, checkers.
2B min, pushing.
Watch your A main. He could be pushing A.
Let's go B.
Pushing
Let's go
up
B.
B.
They're pushing mid.
Yeah.
We got this. No worries.
Good job. Good call.
Go plan A.
Do whatever you want.
I don't know if he's A, I just ran through. He's on A!
Kill him, man.
I passed right by him.
Because bad.
I don't
Not-
think he's
not
on
you.
A. He's on A. On top of fort.
He did. I saw him going squeaky. I was like, yes. This guy's mine. I did nothing that round. It was not helpful. I was all like, oh no. I thought it was B, so I started rotating. I was looking at minimap. I was like, wait a minute. Hey, I'm close. I was close to A. Hold on a second. Look at him juggling. That's so cool. Oh my god, you guys so cool.
Wait, here, let's you and me juggle. Yo, let's go A fast. I've got the perfect flash for it. What?
Oh, we were just juggling. I don't know why that's so funny to me. The guy on my team keeps queuing his mic going, so I'm doing the same thing.
I've been hit with only pistols all game.
You had an AWP all game.
You had an AWP. For the worst clutch I've ever seen. Please don't do
One more
this to
white
me.
box.
All mid, literally all on.
One more smoke. One smoke.
Sandbag.
What are you doing?
One white box. Sandbag, white box.
Another one there.
There's one more out mid.
Long range one.
Keep watching, Mike. Watch Z.
It actually.
Watch Z. You pussy.
Which one, me?
Yes.
How am I a pussy?
You kept falling back.
No, we're not putting CT.
start an open team.
What?
Wants to start an open team.
Open what?
Team.
Team?
Yeah.
Dude, I mean, like, I mean, that'd be
I'm
tight.
just at this point. I'm just desperate.
Yeah, I know, man.
I can't find shit to do. Like the one team I thought I was gonna be f***ing may not put me in a sub.
I hate that, man. Every time. One fork.
Killed him.
Quad.
Killed him.
One truck. Oh my.
Dude, raped.
One's.
Truck.
How did I stand on his head? What the?
You like all the sniffs while
I did. What are you gonna call your team?
I don't know. Like I wanted to name it something cool with the teammates. Like once I get teammates, I want to name it then.
What? Yeah, we got the other guy doing it.
Something like chemical esports.
Ooh, yeah, like chemical esports.
One forklift.
With the mob.
One fire caterwalker, caterpillar, trucky. Oh my gosh, this other guy's going. I love it.
Did they buy armor? Yeah, they did.
Yeah. So I feel like I got some good R-dubs for that one. I better have. Are you serious? This game is so flawed. I clutched so many of those.
Flawed ass game.
Stupid. I was 19 and 22.
You got 2Ks and a 3K.
Oh my gosh, and I got 6 R-dubs? What is this game?
That's ESEA, baby.
It's something. Everybody gets thumbs downs. Hey, what's up? It's King of Soup here once again. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this video. I'd really like to hear what you thought down in the comments section. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click that thumbs up button below. If you liked it so much you want to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.